Hello friends. So in this video we will learn more about Bootstrap badges. So what are Bootstrap badges? Badges are used to add additional information to any content. Means you have to add any additional information to content. Any content. Use the .badge class together with a contextual class like color class .badge secondary within span element to create a rectangular badge. So first of all we have to create a badge. Note that badge scale to match the size of the parent element if any. It matches the parent size of the parent element if any. If there is not any parent class, then the badge class shows that it is in a default size of their badge. So make a new file. That's our 11th tutorial. So in this tutorial we gave her name 11.html. So in this, the first step is to import the HTML document type. So I have to zoom in out. So first of all we have to go to the Chrome browser. So in this we have read Bootstrap 4.6 version. I used 4.6 version. I prefer you also use this. Copy the CSS file and paste it into your browser. HTML code. Secondly, you have to copy the JavaScript separate file. So copy here, control paste it. And first of all, we have to make badges. So first thing we make that use the .badge class. So first of all make a heading h1. So simply use badge first. So in this we have an h1. Now we have to use a badge. So you have read it carefully that use the .badge class together with the contextual class within the span element to create a rectangular badge. So first of all we have to use span. In span we have to import the class. So write class badge. Use a contextual class. So I have used a danger class so that it seems to be red. So in danger class we have write the badge first. So save it, and here we have to open with live server so that here you can see the badge first and there is a badge 1. So here you can see that badge first is the h1 class and there is small red. I have zoomed in for your better view. Here you can see the badge first. So if use a container class, container dot container there dot container, then use the div here, and save it, and here you can see the badge is in the between, and there is a left hand side margin using the container element. So what's the next that contextual badges. You have choose any contextual badge to change the color of a badge. So here you can see that if I copy that, paste and again paste, and here you can write badge second, badge third, and here you can use the colors like info, and here you can color like primary, and here you can write badge 3, here you can write badge 2. So simply save it, and here you can run it and simply sees the badge 1, badge 2 and badge 3, and there is a small badges for that. These are used to add the contextual information, additional information to any content. So next is peel badges. Use the .badge peel class to make the badges more round. I use the .badge peel class in one of the H1 badge first, so you can here check the difference. Badge peel, simply save it, and here you can see that it is more round than the two others. Simply you can see that it is more round corners than other two. So simply use here, also use badge peel. So simply save it, and here you can see that these two have the more round corners. So in the last we have badge inside an element. So you have to also use badge inside element. So make a button. So first of all make a container, and here you can use a button, type button, and here you can use your span element. Simply you use your span element button, and you also use the class of button. Which class for button is class btn hyphen. We use class like danger. You have to make a button. So next we have to make a message in the button. So if you have to use the messages in button, you have to discuss about there are 4 notifications, messages in your inbox. Then you use message, and you use simply span, and in span you have to make a class badge light, and there are 4 notifications, 5 notifications in there, and simply save it, and here you can see the difference. Here there are 5 notifications, and this is a button, and here you can see the message and 5. So in this way you have to make badges in your website to use to add additional information to any content. If you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programmer Aditya. In the next video we will learn more about progress bars. In the previous video we will learn about button groups. In next video we will learn about progress bars. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programmer Aditya, for motivation. So we will meet our next video. Thanks for watching.